Hello students, today we will go to another segment of our class 10 English. This time it is, as you can see, the triumph of surgery. Okay, so shall we start? Okay. The chapter here is Footprints Without Feet, the book, and it is the first chapter, The Triumph of Surgery. The author is James Elliot. Okay, so let us start. Just look at this picture. What is your feelings towards this dog? It is not at all a normal dog. You can see the body structure of this dog. The legs seems to be so small as compared to the body. So this is not a normal dog, any ill dog, okay, having a disease. Next, the name of this dog in this chapter is Tricky. A small dog is pampered and overfed by his rich mistress. He falls seriously ill and his mistress consults a veterinary surgeon. Does he perform an operation? Does the dog recover? So, before going to the text, let me tell you one thing, that in our day-to-day life, in most of our houses, we are having a dog as our pet. And most of the dog, even by their owner, is pampered and overfed. They are being given most care. Okay. And here in this chapter, Tricky is the name of the dog, overfed by his rich mistress. Everything was given to him, and as a result, what happens? He falls seriously ill and taken to the hospital. So, first of all, the mistress consults the veterinary surgeon for an operation. Let us see whether he recovered from the operation or not. Before going, these are some of the meanings given here. First one is mistress, a woman in a position of authority or control. Who is the owner here? Bloated means excessive in size or amount, more than what is required. Sausage means an item of food in the form of a cylindrical length of minced pork or other meat. Simply you can say finely chopped and seasoned meat. Encased in a skin, typically sold raw to be grilled or fried before eating. Bloodshot means it is related to the eyes here. Inflamed or tinged with blood, typically as a result of tiredness. The eyes seemed to be red in color. Roomy means watery. Okay, having water. Next, some other meanings are there waiting for you. These are lord means sit, lie or stand in a lazy or relaxed way. Hasten means be quick to do something, quick in appearance. Listless means lacking energy or enthusiasm. Malnutrition is lack of proper nutrition, lack of nutrition simply you can say. Cod liver oil, oil pressed from the liver of cod, generally from the feces, it is being collected. Relent means become less severe or intense. And lumbago means pain in the muscles and joints of the lower back area of our body. Okay, so these are the meanings. Here you can see the veterinary surgeon, who is the main character here in this one of the main character in this chapter, and this is the dog Tricky. At the beginning you have been shown with a picture of a dog that was ill, and so this surgeon was consulted and the dog was taken to the hospital. So this is the checkup by the surgeon. Okay, just remember this picture. We will discuss about it. Next. Okay, so the story starts here. Let me tell you that the owner we discussed about was Mrs. Pomfrey. Okay, the story starts when Mrs. Pomfrey, a rich lady, takes her dog out for a walk. So, those who are having dog as pet, they take them for morning or evening walk. So also Mrs. Pomfrey, the rich lady, takes her dog to walk. A nearby veterinary doctor who knows the lady sees the dog and is shocked as he sees that the dog looks like a blotted sausage with a leg at each end. So, in the meanwhile, what happened? During the walking, a veterinary doctor come across on the road and he met the dog and its owner. Okay, but as just try to remember the first picture. Let me show you the picture again, the first picture of the dog, how it was looking like. Just see, this is the dog I was talking about. Just see the physical feature of this dog again and again. Do you think it is normal, it is healthy? Not at all. So the surgeon saw this dog in this condition, okay, and he knew that something is wrong with this dog. Okay, it needs some sort of treatment. Okay, let us move back. Okay, so the doctor here advises the owner to stop giving him unhealthy things to eat, but Mrs. Pomfrey is not able to refuse him. So immediately the doctor suggested that he should be restricted with his diet, but in case of the owner Mrs. Pomfrey, it was very difficult to control him with his food. Soon he falls sick and the doctor is called. So it was obvious that after a few days, Tricky the dog fell ill and the same doctor was called. The narrator, Mr. Harriet, then somehow takes Tricky the dog to the hospital, even though he knows that Mrs. Pomfrey is not ready to leave her dog and nearly fainted just by hearing these words. So here one thing I must mention, that Mr. Harriet, who knew that the condition of the dog was not good, he suggested that the dog should be treated in the hospital. If it would be kept in the house of its owner, Mrs. Pomfrey, then it is very difficult for him to treat. So he thought that he should be taken away from his owner, and the dog was taken to the hospital with Mr. Harriet for further treatment. Okay. So first of all, Mrs. Pomfrey was unable to bear the difficulty of separation of the dog from her. Then finally, in the hope of good health for Tricky, she agreed. Then he takes the dog along and puts a bed for him in his surgery. The dog doesn't move much nor eats anything for the first 2 days. So after taking the dog Tricky to the hospital, Mr. Harriet did the first thing, that he puts a bed for the dog. Okay, and the dog Tricky did not move for 2 days continuously without any movement. It laid on a single place. On the second day, means after 2 days, next day, it meant he looks around and whimpers a bit. He wanted to go out on the third day and started playing with the bigger dogs when he was taken out. So the very next day, he was not given with any sort of food, only water was given to the dog. So on the next day what happened, he showed some sort of movement, and Mr. Harriot was having other dogs in his house, in the hospital, what he called. So Tricky moved and he wanted to play with the other dogs, other bigger dogs. Okay. He also left the bowls of other dogs clean on the third day. So very next day he showed some sort of interest in taking food. So while the bowls, it is the container of the other dogs, some leftover food was there. So it was licked by Tricky. So he showed some sort of interest in food. So this is the first part of this chapter. Quickly I will come with the second part. Thank you all for watching.